floor will move, not the handrails along the side or the center where I'm standing. In approximately 10 minutes, we'll have you at the mountain station. If you have a backpack on, large bag, please remove it. Put it on the floor by your feet for the convenience of others. Thank you.
Rotating tramways providing Much the same as the 21-story building. It's the only tower accessible to visitors. All other towers and the mountains had to be constructed by there's a few of them. Everyone, and then else. Lucy Shirley, the new cabins are the first in Western Hemisphere to rotate
Help with your ears. They could be.
What's the story of abandoned village Indian? Many streams that flow year round. The canyon has an abundance of fish, including chicken, cottonwood, alder, white maple, and thank you. That park is but one of many waterfalls that run off the mountain. During our upgrade, we passed through the desert to the Alpine Trail. It's a little like making a motor trip from Mexico to Alaska. We believe this is the only place in Southern California where this can occur. As we approach tower number 2, at the top of the tower, you can see a 16 by 16 foot yellow helicopter platform used during the construction and now used during the tram's regional experience. Additional platforms will be seen on the remaining towers further along our journey. As you no doubt already noticed, we experienced a swinging motion. Tram car transitions, track cable, over the tower, saddle, and back to the track cable. This motion the car movement and back. The original Tramway was designed and built by the Tramway company, British Switzerland. All moving parts and cables was made. The tower, there's a total of 27 miles of various size cables that support movement and communication. The largest of these are the track cables, which will run. They weigh just under 9 pounds a foot, with each of these track cables 13,500 feet in length. Therefore, weigh more than 6 tons. The halfway point on our tower downward cars traveling because both cars are tied together by the holding cable.
This is the other platform. Oh, that's the other's 5. Sorry, there's 5 towers.
In turn, that's right.
A couple of them are just guides. Some of them are holding it. That's why we get their house.
Okay, I just so what is it going to it says, you really either down or look up to the sky. Like at the middle, not the outside.
Ladies and gentlemen, tower number 3 has a larger swing.
Oh,
You
yeah.
might want to hold on to someone or something.
This is the worst. I think it's the worst. I remember. Here we go. Oh, wow. It's hard to get a picture. This is really that's the part that this camera up close, it sucks. But sorry, just the building. You don't want to.
Mountain lion, fox, in California.
I don't like them, so I swallow. You see all the you can see how the city's laid out. You see as they build it to
Is tower number 4. Located at an elevation of 7,576 feet above sea level.
It's a lot. Yeah. 37, 40. No, I mean like 40, maybe 40,000. Yeah. Sometimes in the US, to Europe, 38. I don't think you're hearing it. See how it looks crooked, the tower? But it's straight. So now it gets better because the ground
Yeah. The ground is closer to the ground?
where the ground of this is closer to the ground. Mountain, up the mountain.
Those who listen to venture beyond the station.
They collect them. Once a year, they go down. That's a tree trunk. All the rain. Look at the rocks down there.
Renovation is shown in the small theater. From the first the Adventure Center is in operation with snow tubing.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Mountain Station. 8,516. Please watch your balance here as we go into dock. We will tap the sides. Get ready to go directly inside the building. You'll enter on the 2nd level. Right above us on the 3rd floor is access to food, drinks, and viewing decks. 1st floor is exit out to the state park. We are departing every 12 minutes. Last car down tonight will be 9:30. That's a car you don't want to miss.
It's a long walk back there.
If you miss that last car, don't you worry though, because I'll be here in the morning. Entry to the building, folks, will be to my right-hand side. Once again, please go directly inside the building. Have a safe and wonderful day.